In this video, I will show you how to efficiently summarize entire Slack channels using the power of Claude. As our digital workspaces become increasingly crowded with messages and threads, keeping track of every conversation can feel like a full-time job. Thankfully, the integration between Claude and Slack allows you to condense days or even weeks of chat history into a concise and actionable report in just a few simple steps. To get started, navigate to your Claude chat interface and look at the bottom chat bar. You will see a small plus icon, which is your gateway to various integrations. Go ahead and click that icon, then look for the Slack option in the menu. You need to toggle the Slack switch to the on position to grant Claude the necessary permissions to access your workspace data. Once the connection is active, the real magic happens through your prompt. You should be specific about what you need to ensure the best results. For example, you can type a request like, summarize the activity in the marketing channel over the last 7 days. To make the summary even more useful, ask Claude to specifically highlight key decisions made during that period, identify any pending action items, and list exactly who those tasks are assigned to. After you send your prompt, Claude will analyze the message history within that specific time frame and generate a structured summary for you. Take a moment to review the output to ensure all the critical details are captured accurately. From here, you have two great options for sharing the information. You can simply copy the text for your own personal notes, or you can use the convenient Send to Slack button to post the digest directly back into the channel for your entire team to see. This workflow is a fantastic way to ensure everyone stays aligned without having to scroll through hundreds of messages